Shout it from the rooftops. I gotta jump out of a window if you call me. You call me. You call me. Touch your name on my neck, I promise. Girl, I swear I'm obsessed. Whatever you want, girl.
So video ni aku nak buat Jungkook daripada grup BTS punya workout. Aku nak buat exercise ni pun sebab ada antara korang yang request ni list workout dia. Last aku rasa aku exercise, aku pun tak ingat bila, aku rasa bulan lepas. Sebab aku lebih kepada cardio. Dia punya workout ni macam abs. Aku akan cuba exercise Jungkook ni untuk seminggu ataupun 5 hari. Tak lah, exercise yang aku biasa buat, pergi dapur, buka peti, nak cari makanan. Bro, aku tak tahu aku boleh buat ke tak. Wish me luck.
Settling in, settling down. Falling in love, not falling out. I keep
Baby, 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 you driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me tryna stay sober. Wanted your love and I'm out here hungover. You made me wanna take you to. Don't need Keisha, Karen, don't want Megan, Sharon. It ain't fair that all the pretty girls, they got nothing on you. They got nothing on you. Yeah, all the pretty girls, they got nothing on you. They got nothing on you. Girl, you know you cute. Girl, you know you cute. Girl, you know you cute.
I can tell that you can't focus. You haven't been yourself in a minute. And I know that your mom's been sick. It's been a while since we talked about it. I don't know how to act, but you should know at the end of the day, when you don't know how to be strong, you can't lean on me. I'll be your rock at the bottom. You don't have to be I can carry it too. Let me be a friend. Let me be a
Aku tak boleh buat, aku rasa. Untuk first day aku tak boleh nak habiskan semua. Aku buat semua tapi aku tak boleh nak buat. Aku tak boleh nampak ke tangan aku, kaki aku dah tak boleh dah. Maybe sebab first day, so aku tak nak paksa diri aku sebab aku nak buat exercise ni untuk seminggu atau 5 hari. So kalau aku paksa diri aku untuk hari ni, aku takut esok aku tak boleh buat. Tu je. Jumpa korang lepas 5 hari exercise. Aku dah tired, guys.
There's something about the way that you understand. We don't need a rush and we don't need to make no plan. You say pace yourself slow. Conversations over wine, killing time. You and I, in this moment, we're alive. Infatuated with your eye.
Baby, come and talk to me. You're the sea. Tryna show you love, it's that TLC. You're my favorite song, you're my therapy. Music for my soul, classic R&B. We don't need a plan B, but to have a family. Sounding like a Grammy every time you speak. Make me wanna sing. Yeah, make me wanna sing. So passionate like Jackson, 5 heartbeats, temptation. Girl, don't keep me waiting. I love you, that's Cupid. That's soul child with the and baby girl, you bad. So once you come in, talk to me. You're the sea. Tryna show you love, it's that TLC. You're my favorite song, you're my therapy. Music for my soul, classic R&B.
I see, baby, cool with it. Drowning in your love like a pool with it. Baby, oh, the service bad. In the dance, now you see it in the
Kaki aku sakit. Aku rasa aku terseluh ke kaki aku. Perut aku sakit. Workout ni bagus untuk aku sebab aku sakit. Aku 3 hari lagi. Aku rasa aku tak boleh nak buat seminggu. Aku buat 5 hari. Tu je untuk hari kedua.
The sun is coming up again. Looking like it's gonna be a problem. Cause I'd be lying to you if I said this ain't a thing and I've been looking for a new one. I keep on waiting for the weekend. Gonna hit you up and tell you that I want you. Cause I just wanna feel like this again. Oh, oh, oh. All I wanna do is feel awesome. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All I wanna do is feel awesome. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Baby, can you make me feel awesome? Up and down, side to side, and then back and forth. Up all night again, me and you. Left and right, and then whoa.
You don't need no filters. You my rocket, you my perfect picture. Baby, you know I'm tryna kick it with ya. Ain't gotta wait till it gets dark. We can 106 and party my rock.
Okay, so hari ni hari last aku buat exercise ni untuk 5 hari. Setakat ni untuk 5 hari ni aku rasa okay. Aku suka. Aku rasa aku akan maintain. Aku akan cuba untuk maintain exercise ni. Dia dapat rasa perut aku dah start rasa keras. Memang sakit untuk awal-awal tu memang sakit. Tapi kalau korang tak teruskan memang sakit lah, biasalah tu. Aku teruskan. Maksudnya aku buat setiap hari. Mula-mula tu memang bangun tu aku rasa sakit satu badan. Tapi bila aku teruskan juga, dia macam badan aku dah biasa dengan exercise ni. Video ni sekadar eksperimen. So tu je. Kalau korang suka video ni, bagi thumbs up, subscribe, follow Instagram aku. Aku akan post setiap hari Isnin dalam pukul 10 ke 11 pagi. Bye. Bye-bye.